See, she has addressed 3 meetings. Everything related to commerce and industry. A good message has been given to the people concerned and also to people at large with regard to achievements of this government in the area of women development, in the area of commerce and industry. So I am sure that the people of Chennai would have enjoyed this and would be benefited because of this. If you take Tamil Nadu, we get more the taxes from Coimbatore, Sriperumbudur, but we have to spend to Thiruvarur, Ariyalur, like that. So the argument of these Dravidian forces, it's not logical so far as I am concerned.